Part 1. New words.
Reception. At the reception desk. Go to the reception. A lift. A modern lift. There are 2 lifts here. The floor. There are 3 rooms on floor 2. Which floor do you live on? To check in. To check out. You check in when you arrive at a hotel. You check out when you leave. A car park. The car park is in front of the hotel. A big car park. A reservation. Do you have a reservation? A reservation for 2 nights.
Part 2. Vocabulary 1. Ordinal numbers. There are 4 hotels in this street. Where can we stay?
Let's see. The first hotel is very modern and expensive. The second hotel is too small. The third hotel is new and the price is good. The fourth hotel is too old.
Let's stay at the third hotel then.
Is it your first trip to Rome? No, it's my second trip here. Which floor is my room on? Your room is on the 4th floor. When did you visit the castle? We visited the castle on the 2nd day of our stay in Rome. Excuse me, is there a gym in this hotel? Yes, it's the 3rd door on the left.
Part 3. Vocabulary 2. Floors. The ground floor. The first floor. The second floor. The third floor. The fourth floor. The fifth floor.
The swimming pool is on the ground floor. There is a gym on the 1st floor. The restaurant is on the 4th floor. The reception desk is on the ground floor, next to the lifts. I can't see the city from my room on the 2nd floor. Here is your key card. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Part 4. Vocabulary 3. Checking in.
Good afternoon. How can I help you? Good afternoon, my name is Anna Smith. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the dining room on the ground floor. Excuse me, where is the lift? The lift is over there, next to the restaurant. Hello, reception. How can I help you? Hello, this is room 306. There aren't any towels in my room. Could you bring some?
Part 5. Read and choose.
Your room is on the first floor. The second hotel is very old. Hello, I have a reservation for 3 nights. You can check in from 3 o'clock on the day you arrive.
Part 6. Quiz. Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you? Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you?
Good afternoon, I have a reservation.
May I see your ID or passport, please? May I see your ID or passport, please?
Here it is. Can you arrange a taxi for me for tomorrow morning?
Of course. What time do you need the taxi?
Can you arrange a taxi for me for tomorrow morning?
Of course. What time do you need the taxi?
At 8 a.m., please.
Do you need any help with your bags? Do you need any help with your bags?
I think I'm okay, thank you.